Congratulations on your new exterior door installation. A fresh door can enhance your home's curb appeal, increase security, and improve energy efficiency. To maximize these benefits and ensure your investment lasts for years, regular maintenance is key. Here are the best maintenance tips for homeowners in Birmingham to keep exterior doors in pristine condition and functioning optimally. Regular cleaning. Exterior doors are constantly exposed to the elements, making routine cleaning essential for preserving their appearance. Use a mild soap and water solution to gently wipe down the surface of your door with a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaning materials, as these can damage finishes, scratch surfaces, or cause discoloration. Pay special attention to any decorative glass or panels, ensuring you clean around edges and crevices to prevent dirt buildup. This not only keeps your door looking great but also prevents grime from affecting seals or hardware. Inspect weather stripping and seals. Birmingham's varying climate, with humid summers and occasional cold snaps, can affect the condition of your exterior door's weather stripping and seals. Inspect these components regularly for signs of wear, cracks, or detachment. Proper weather stripping ensures a tight seal, preventing drafts, moisture, and pests from entering your home. Replace any damaged or worn-out weather stripping promptly to maintain your door's energy efficiency. High-quality, well-maintained seals reduce your heating and cooling costs by preventing air leakage. Lubricate hinges and hardware. To keep your exterior door operating smoothly, apply a light lubricant to hinges, locks, and any other moving parts every few months. This helps reduce friction and prevents squeaking or sticking. Use a lubricant specifically designed for door hardware, as household oils may attract dust or gum up over time. While lubricating, check for loose screws or components that may need tightening. Ensuring all hardware is secure extends the lifespan of your door and minimizes wear and tear. Check and refinish the door's surface, if necessary. Wooden and painted doors may need periodic refinishing or touch-ups to protect against moisture, sun exposure, and general wear. If your exterior door shows signs of fading, peeling paint, or exposed wood, sand the affected area lightly and apply a fresh coat of paint or sealant designed for exterior surfaces. Doors exposed to Birmingham's humid conditions can be especially prone to moisture damage. Applying a weather-resistant finish helps create a protective barrier that resists moisture, cracking, and rot. Examine for moisture and water damage. After heavy rain or particularly humid periods, check for signs of water infiltration around the door frame. Water damage can lead to warping, mold growth, and deterioration. Pay close attention to the bottom of the door and the threshold area, as these are common entry points for moisture. To prevent water damage, make sure your door seals and caulking around the frame are intact and well maintained. If you spot signs of mold, remove it promptly using a mold cleaner and address any underlying moisture issues. Maintain the door frame and threshold. The door frame and threshold are just as important as the door itself. Inspect the frame for any signs of cracks, rot, or insect damage. If you notice any deterioration, take steps to repair or replace damaged areas promptly. A compromised frame can undermine the door's security and allow drafts to seep through. Additionally, keep the threshold area clean and free from debris. A clogged or obstructed threshold can cause damage to the bottom of the door and prevent proper sealing. Protect against extreme weather. Birmingham weather can be unpredictable, so take precautions to protect your door during extreme conditions. Consider installing an overhang or awning to shield your door from excessive rain and direct sunlight. This added protection reduces weather-related wear and keeps your door looking fresh for longer. Storm doors are another excellent option for added protection and insulation. They provide an extra barrier that reduces the impact of weather on your main exterior door. Test and adjust the door regularly. Doors naturally expand and contract with changing temperatures and humidity levels. Periodically test your door to ensure it opens, closes, and locks smoothly. If you notice sticking, misalignment, or difficulty latching, it may be time for minor adjustments. Addressing these issues early helps prevent more significant damage and ensures continued security and ease of use. Conclusion: proper maintenance after exterior door installation in your Birmingham home ensures you enjoy beauty, security, and energy efficiency for years to come. By cleaning, lubricating hardware, inspecting for damage, and protecting against the elements, you can extend the life of your door and preserve its value. Regular upkeep not only keeps your door in top condition but also enhances the comfort and safety of your home.